As you know, chatbots are a popular app of large language models. In this video, I'll show you how to build a simple chatbot using LangChain, OpenAI, and Gradio. The chatbot interface that we create will look something like this. Here is a chatbot app we'll build. We'll be able to chat with this app. When you enter some text here, the app will answer according to your text. You can use this app as a helpful assistant. To develop our app, we'll use the LangChain framework. The model we'll leverage is GPT from OpenAI. To build the front end of our app, we'll use the Gradio library. Awesome! We have seen the app we'll create. Let's start by building the app. First, let me install the necessary libraries. I will use Colab as an editor. Let's say pip install -q u LangChain, OpenAI, and Gradio. Okay, our libraries are ready to go. What we're gonna do now is set the OpenAI API key. Using this key, we connect OpenAI to the GPT model. To do this, let's use the getPass method. Let's write from getPass import getPass. After that, let me utilize this method. OpenAI API key equals getPass. Let me run this cell. As you can see, a box was opened for the API key. Let's enter our API key and press enter. There you go. Let's go ahead and assign this API key to a variable. To do this, we'll use the OS module. Let's import this. Import OS. And then set our OpenAI API key. OS dot, let's call environ. Let's pass OpenAI API key equals OpenAI API key. Nice! Our API key is ready to go. The model we'll use is OpenAI's GPT. What we're gonna do now is initialize chat OpenAI. This is where the LangChain OpenAI library comes into play. Let's use this library from LangChain OpenAI import chat OpenAI. After that, let's create an object from this class. LLM equals chat OpenAI. Awesome! Our object is ready. What we're gonna do now is create a function. This function will return an answer from the large model. Let's create this function. Def, let's name, predict. This function will take two parameters. These are message and history. Let's type message and history. Okay? Message refers to your current text. History refers to the conversation that took place before. Now, let's create an empty variable for history messages. History LangChain format. Now, let's get the human and AI messages from the history variable by using a for loop. For human AI in history. First, let's append the message to the variable as a human message. History LangChain format, and then let's call the append method. Let's pass human message. To use this message, let me import this from LangChain core dot messages import human message, and let me import AI message. Next, let's set the content parameter. Content equals human. After that, let's add the next message to the variable as an AI message. History LangChain format, and then let's call append method. After that, let's pass AI message, and then let's set the content parameter. Let's type AI. Okay, we got history messages. Our aim here is to give our message to the model with these history messages. Now let's add the latest message to the variable. history, LangChain format. Let's type append. Let's paste human message. Let's set content. Let me type message. Okay? Awesome. The history message format is ready. What we're gonna do is pass this variable to our model. Let's do this. Let's say GPT response equals, let's write LLM, let's pass history LangChain format. Finally, we're gonna return the answer of the model. Return, let's write GPT response, we're gonna type content. Nice! We created the backend of our app. Let's go ahead and build the frontend with Gradio. First, let's import this library. Import Gradio as gr. This is very simple to create a chatbot UI with Gradio. What we're gonna do is call chat interface. Let me show you. gr.chat interface. Let's pass the function we just created to this class. Let me copy this name and paste it here. What we need to do to start the app is call the launch method. Let's set launch. Okay, our app is ready to go. Let's start this app. To do this, let me run this cell. As you can see, the app started building. Here you go. Our app is ready to use. We can access this app here. Let me click this link. Here you go. Let me test this. To do this, we're gonna enter a text over here. Let's say hello. After that, let's click the submit button. Here you go. As you can see, the app returned an answer. Let's go ahead and enter another message. My name is Trendas. I am a YouTuber. Nice. Our app gave an answer. Nice to meet you, Trendas. As a YouTuber, how can I help you? Let's write another message. Let's say, tell me a joke about Elon Musk. Here you go. As you can see, our app works fine. Finally, let's check whether the model remembers the chat history. Let's say, what is my name? The answer is, your name is Trendas, as we mentioned earlier. Our app remembered the chat history. As you can see, it's very simple to build a chatbot app with generative AI tools. Yeah, that's it. In this video, we've seen how to create a chatbot app. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video and leave a comment. See you in the next video. Bye for now.